So this is exactly the chamber that we were talking about, the entire 360-degree LED chamber. So currently what we are doing is we are just patching all the cabinets together. So uske baad we'll start with the content testing. So the graphic has to go on in the entire chamber, as well as it has to come on the floor also.
It's very nice. One of the unique things which we have seen and really proud.
Such an amazing experience. Like it's a very good campaign for those people.
The experience was very nice. Like they have made a very good experience and all that.
Yeah, we have to learn those person who don't speak or
It will help people to learn something.
They are ready to understand the both of sides. Like
It was really good and informative and a much needed thing.
One of the best things any corporate world can do for the society.
Great initiative by the brand. Lovely to be a part of this.
Thank you.